Kani gadega Party TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Dr. Mukul Sangma ubadai UMLA ke Kongres na Ampati Constituency. Henne kasngi ke kharar terek unopra ula Pynthikna bahakani ke election MLA ke Bansalong House Nam Ajakat Prabanwan Ïakhun na ki Tylli ki Constituency. Kata kedai na songsak ban na Ampati Constituency. Kani kalami na kesentur jong Dr. Mukul Sangma tang hadin cisingi teng bak Election Commission of India kalapa ya ke petition sya ke Supreme Court hakaba kala ujor bat batha ya ke yeng syari man penmi no ya ke hukum ban amsya ya unu kurtong ban Ïakhun election na ki Tylli ki Constituency. Kaham saya bog Dr. Mukul Sangma Ïakhun na ki Tylli ki Constituency jong kejela menta kala syai. Hadian ke jekran bat ke Party TV henne kasngi hadian ke program sami ki computer tablet sya ki samla pule class 12 hapolo.
We contest in two, only because the law provides. Earlier people used to contest in three, because the law provides. So long the law provides, we will contest. If the law doesn't provide, then we will look at whether that, because we are also lawmakers, okay. And then we don't just make law, the parliament also is responsible to look at the spaces available in the constitution, whether the constitution provides that space or not. Amending constitution is the job of the lawmakers, is the job of the parliament and job of the state legislatures, because when a constitution is amended, it is also ratified by state legislature. So it's a job of the, your elected representatives in the spaces available in our democratic system. Yes, of course, I have decided I'll contest from both the seats.